Hey, I'm Dr. Chad Faulkner from Mount Sterling, Kentucky, your local source for chiropractic care and your pain relief needs. And today we're talking to you about sciatica, but sciatica that's called pseudo-sciatica. Now, what is the difference? A true sciatica is one in which the patient has pain shooting all the way down the leg, and that pain will also be affected at the heel or at the bottom of the foot. A pseudo-sciatica is one in which the pain is referring down, but it's not going down past the knee. Now today we're going to demonstrate a technique. It's known as cross-friction massage, and also we're going to be using a technique known as active release technique on the area of what we call the piriformis muscle. And so I want to demonstrate to you what that looks like. And so come a little closer and I'll show that to you. Okay, so what we do is we're gonna locate the patient's hip, okay, which is a very bony prominence, and it's on the most lateral portion of the hip, and then we're gonna roll just a little bit inwards, and we're gonna start filling tissue. And so I'm just gonna place some steady pressure in here until I feel the tissue begin to draw up. And as soon as I feel the tissue begin to draw up, there was a slight reaction right there. That's where my treatment's going to be. And this is the treatment. And we're going to go ahead and start. Okay, so the treatment is a painless procedure for the patient, and it's essentially we're going to put that tissue through its motion. Now just underneath my thumb is where that sciatic nerve is. And what's happening is about 70% of the population, the sciatic nerve goes and it pierces literally right through that muscle. So it looks like this. It goes actually right through the muscle. So when that muscle is tight, it's actually pulling on the sciatic nerve. And so my job to do is to get this pressure off of this nerve, and I do that by releasing it just like that. And most patients say that is a hurt that feels really good. Yeah?
Amen.
Yeah, so especially if they've been suffering from that. Now, if you're suffering from pain and you have pain at that area and it refers down into your leg but doesn't go past the knee, then you too might be having a pseudo-sciatica or piriformis syndrome. And if you're having this problem known as piriformis syndrome, what happens if you don't get it fixed is the muscle begins to atrophy. And you begin to lose some of your muscle mass in the hip, which could ultimately result in a disability for you. So we don't want that to happen. So give us a call at 859-762-0009. We're located right here conveniently in and out of work, and our office hours are convenient, 8:30 a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. So you can come before work, at lunch, or you can come after work. So there's no reason for you to ever have to miss work to see us to get relief. Give us a call in the next 24 hours and you'll receive a free bottle, 8-ounce bottle of BioFreeze, America's #1 analgesic pain gel. Thanks.